you to make me call you back later. Alright.
How are this man? That morning like the man call. Me not forget to tell her morning, the man tell her morning before me. So me not like ex, you know. Me not like when your partner and friend me not like them something there. You understand?
Sure. You know what I have. I know what I'm going to do. Me I go put a stop to this. Me I go put a stop to it. You're dead.
Every morning I call. Sure.
Can't make you find in. Watch out now. Take them up.
Alright.
Babe, is my phone?
Your phone?
Yeah.
No man, I don't see your phone for morning man. I don't see your phone. Yeah, you don't know say tax and we there, you see me? In the streets again, you see it? Yeah man, I be a things. Check out my Bridging channel, you know, WEADIAN TV. Yeah, link I got there in the description, you see me? Just check it out. Yeah, with the original Mr. Cole, you know, man. Movie star from the grill. And the question for the day is, can your partner be friends with their ex?
No, sir. Me another one there.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Okay, no, that's a really important question. Can your partner be friend with your ex? It depends.
Why?
Because ex are wrong bag, you know.
Yeah.
Ex are wrong bag. And all you can put ex with a sticky. It can't work.
Can't work.
No, can't work, not at all. Ex always be wrong bag. When you go to school, what the teacher tell us? When you care about the teacher, and get when you get sticky, and get ex. When you get ex wrong bag, so what you gonna do? You gotta do it over.
Alright.
So the ex always have to do it over. She have to make it right.
The
So
ex always try to make you right.
yeah.
So you don't want
No. All them so. Sweep them.
Sweep them.
Because you don't really want to control people's life.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you only have one life to live. You understand?
You don't want to
So-
feel like they don't want kids. You want to give them like
Yes,
freedom.
yes, you want a little freedom. So if your partner allow you, if you can trust him or her, then
It's okay.
It's okay.
There with the general DJ CanKing, you see me? Yeah. And the question today for the general is, can your partner still be friends with their ex? Question is, can your partner be friends with her ex?
Can my partner be friend with her ex? So that not really with a work still. But I believe that can go on, man.
Can go on. What you say?
Boy, I don't no problem with you as long as they don't get back, you know. I know I don't care feelings to that still, but yeah man, you can go on, man.
Can go on.
Yeah.
Yeah man, definitely man.
Definitely.
No problem with that.
So you say they can call and text each other, right?
But I don't problem with that. That'd be nice.
Yeah, no problem with that.
Yeah, man, I'll go link up a yard and socialize same way. I'll cook dinner and all of we eat same way. No envy nothing I eat.
No envy. You're sure?
Yeah man.
You're sure say when you're gone, nothing not go on?
Well, one to trust there between the two of us, you know, say.
They can come cook and talk
yeah,
and all of this.
yeah, because once you trust me, I trust her same way. Yes, me.
Alright, my general, but you one thing, you know, you're brave, you know. So what's about the calling and texting part?
Calling and texting. Right now, that. To be honest,
Yeah.
I think I actually I think that search out no really like stalk her, but certain things where them a talk about I think I don't want to know.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just to make sure that you not really sexual, you not really have a sexual conversation and stuff like that. But I think it can happen. You see me I say?
Yeah. Possible for them to be friends.
Yeah, see.
Alright, my general, enough respect. Bad.
Well, it all depends, because remember again, you have some partners who will accept a friendship with your ex while some don't accept that. So it all depending on the type of person your partner is, because sometimes you have some partners that behave very boisterous while some are very humble. So it's all depends.
Alright, so what you say about then can text and call too?
Yeah, man, do anything you want, man.
Anything you want?
Open relationship.
Are you there?
I don't know what about this.
What's about text and call me, Jenna?
Why still now we are dancing on the street, say a ground level dancers them there, you see me? But still, we don't really care feelings still now. But Billy said that can, you see me? That can run one certain way, you see me? But if we gone too far now, so we have to just cancel it, you see me?
Real?
Yeah, man, same so you go, man.
I'm a general, mad.
Alright.
Like call and text each other.
Well, to be honest, it's I would say you can't just say yes. For me, it's not that easy for a partner to just accept that, because you have, as me said before, you have some partners will accept that, and while you have some will not accept that. So it all depending. It all depends, because you have some people who you cannot call and talk with them partner. You know that the lady they are gonna behave one way, and I say yeah, she's still in a business, and while the other one will say it's just a friend thing. The past is gone. Just think about the present.
Alright, we're here with Mr. Spikes, one of my fellow YouTubers. Spikes Asks, that's his channel name. And I'm going to interview him and ask him the question. And the question is, can your partner be friends with their ex?
Yeah, man, partner can be friends with their ex, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, so long as me and her are not involved still. But once me and her in a relationship, it can't happen.
Oh, so once you're not there,
she
no
can't
friendship.
text with no ex nor if she did have one boyfriend that have to cut off.
So
Yeah.
Then can't be friends then?
No, then can't be friends. If you did have an ex-boyfriend and he might talk to me, you have to just forget about that the man there and know say, I say future then we are going to deal with our thing.
Yeah.
You see me, once he might go talk to ex, him kind of go back in our past. It's a you when I dwell upon the past now. Once you move off from one thing, we move on and move towards the future. We don't go backward, we go forward.
Well, yes and no, and I'll explain it. Let's say, for example, she was married and there's kids involved. I would like her to be friends with her ex. Everybody get along and the kids will be happier and more well-adjusted. If it's some guy that she went out with for a short period of time before me, or if she was into that kind of scene and then finally said, oh, I'm going to be monogamous and get into a good relationship, I prefer that she wasn't friends with people like that, because you didn't want to be more than friends with them. So friends is like a very high thing. You have 1 million friends. No, you've got a small group of good friends, people that you can more or less trust. Yeah. And you run with that, right? That's my opinion.
Just a life, we have to live it as how we do it. If we can't live good, it don't make no sense. Because we can walk down the road and something happen to her, and then you see the ex won't help the previous and the past one. So I'll say, life is just like this, we have to just live it.
Yeah. So you don't have a problem with the calling and text, nothing?
No, man, if you can call and relate and chat good. And not if you have, and not if you're in a relationship.
Yeah. Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Yeah, man, anything can go on, because women are not possible nowadays. Women them said, I don't know, I say I straight money enough for women to go for, because they don't really matter. As long as them happy, you see it. Yeah, straight.